Hi guys, I'm Tom. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making a classic comfort food in China, scrambled eggs with tomatoes. It's one of my favorite dishes when I was a kid. Also, it's the first dish I ever cooked. This dish has a delicious sweet and sour flavor, using only 3 ingredients you probably already have in your fridge. Let's get started. First, we're going to peel 6 medium size of tomatoes with serrated peeler. This kind of peeler can easily peel off the tomato skins. And then we're going to cut the tomatoes into small chunks. The shape doesn't matter, but the smaller you cut, the easier they will get cooked. Now we're going to crack 3 eggs. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. And then cut some green onions. Turn the stove on and preheat the wok with medium-high heat for about 1 minute. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Drop a little bit of eggs into the oil. If come up immediately, which means the oil is hot enough, and we can put the rest of the eggs in. We're going to slowly stir fry the eggs. When the eggs are almost cooked, we're going to break them into small pieces. Remove them from the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, some green onions, ½ teaspoon of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix everything together and cook for about 30 seconds. This step is really important. It will make this dish much more flavorful. Put all the tomatoes in once the sauce is cooked, and mix them well. Add ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix the tomatoes with the salt. And then cover the pan with a lid. Let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. The longer you cook, the more juice you will get. I cooked a little bit longer so I can get more juice. It's great to eat with the rice. Bring the eggs back to the pan and add some green onions. Turn off the stove, stir it a little bit, and we're done. I eat it with the rice, guys. Tastes amazing. You can make it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's only gonna take you 5 minutes. Okay guys, that was my recipe of scrambled eggs with tomatoes. If you like this dish, please give me a thumbs up. Like I said, this was my first dish I ever made. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what's your first dish you ever cooked. I'll share more videos every week. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week. Today we're making a classic comfort Chinese food. Hi guys, I'm Tom. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making Hi guys, it's Tom. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making a classic comfort food in China. Scrambled eggs with tomato. 你乐什么呀？你乐什么呀？